Hello, and I hope you're having a fabulous Friday. Hi, guys, I missed you. Okay, real quick, I just want to tell you about the book you're about to listen to and what your job is going to be today. That way, you know what to do. So, it is called My Dog is as Smelly as Socks. And in this story, it's about a little boy who is using similes to describe his family. Which, guess what you're going to be doing today? Yes, we are still working on similes, and yesterday you gave me 3 about you. So today you're going to give me 3 more, but this time it's going to be about your family or people who are in your family. So when you're listening to the story, I want you to be thinking, does that describe my family? Maybe I want to use that one. Or maybe it will make you think of something else that better represents your family. So let's take a look at our LEQ and some simile examples before listening to our book today. So here we go. How can I use similes to write poetry? Remember, when we are talking about similes, we are comparing 2 different things using the word like or as. And poetry is a type of artistic writing, so it expresses a lot of feelings and emotions. It can have rhyming or sounds. And then some examples I gave you for similes would be, she is red like an apple. I am as hungry as a lion. Okay, let's take a look at our anchor chart also for a few more ideas. So we've got busy as a bee, wise as an owl, cute as a button, as stinky as a sock. That one's going to be in our story today. But instead of stinky, they say smelly. As sweet as pie, and like 2 peas in a pod. So I hope you enjoy this read aloud, and I want you to be thinking about your family and how you're going to be able to describe them. After you watch the story, make sure you watch my lesson. Bye, guys.